Hey guys, it's Mel here. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. And today I'm going to show you how to do a look with the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. First, I'm priming my face with the Too Faced Primed in Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. And then give myself a little more glow, I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream in Pink Light. The foundation I'm going to use today is the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Coverage Foundation, and I'm using the shade Natural Beige. And I'm just using my IT Cosmetics foundation brush and just blending that out and buffing it into the skin. Here I'm just taking the Makeup Revolution Cream Contour Palette. I'm going to contour my face mixing these two shades. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin concealer, and I'm using the shade Light Neutral. And just blending that out with my Real Techniques damp sponge. Then I'm just going to set my face with the Cover FX Translucent Setting Powder. I've been really liking this powder. It's talc free, cruelty free. It's just really nice. And I use a damp sponge with this, and I just press it into the skin so it just like melts in. Next, I'm going to bronze my face with the Too Faced Beach Bunny Custom Blend Bronzer. It's a nice bronzer with a little bit of glow and shimmer in it, not too much. And I'm just going to make my contour a little more defined, so I'm using the Makeup Revolution Powder Contour Palette. And I am just taking a contour brush into that cool toned shade and just deepening the contour on my cheeks. And we use that same color and contour my nose just a little bit. For my blush, I'm going to use the Tarte Blush Bliss palette, and I'm going to mix the two shades Genuine and Graceful. I went a little heavy on the blush today, but I fixed that with blending it out with a clean, fluffy brush just to soften it. And then for our highlighter, I'm going to use the Becca Opal highlighter. This has been my go-to highlighter recently. I've just been picking this one like every day. It's just so beautiful. For our eyeshadow look, we're going to use the Violet Voss Pro Holy Grail eyeshadow palette. We're going to go for like a bronzed look. First color we're going to use is Bestie for our transition and crease shade on a fluffy blending brush. This palette's really awesome for traveling. You can do like all different kinds of looks for it. You can do a warm bronze look, you can do a warm orangey look, you can do a pink maroon look. It's just so beautiful. Plenty of mattes and shimmer shades, which is really nice. Next, we're going to take the color Are You Kidding Me on that same brush and just increasing that darkness on the eye, increasing that crease and outer corner. Then we're going to take brownie points, this nice brown, dark brown, on another fluffy brush, but this one's a little more dense and a little more smaller, and we're going to do this on the outer corner of the upper lid and kind of dragging the excess on that crease line. Back to that first brush, I'm taking Are You Kidding Me and buffing it on the lower lash line and kind of connecting it to the upper eyelid, and then taking the brownie points on that smaller brush and doing the same thing on the outer third. Next, I'm just spraying my flat eyeshadow brush with some MAC Set and Prime and taking the shade Cool Beans. And I'm putting this on the inner third of the upper eyelid. And I'm pressing it on to really get that pigment. Using that same brush, I'm taking the color Bat My Eyes, and this is going to go in the middle. It's going to blend the brownie color into the Cool Beans color. So it's a nice transition, and this adds a little more bronze and shimmer to the eyelid. I'm just taking a brush and kind of just blending it so there's no harsh lines. Then I'm going to take the shade Crystal, and this is going to be our inner corner highlight. And I like to drag it down onto the tear duct to really give an opening look. Opening and an awake look to the eyes. Then I'm going to take Crystal and Thanks a Latte, kind of mix them, and this is going to be our brow bone highlight. And I'm just using a pencil black eyeliner and lining my upper lash line. You can use anything you want. You can use marker. You can use liquid. You can give yourself a cat eye, winged outline, or whatever you want to do. I just do a line. And on that outer third of the lower lash line, I just kind of buff it in a little bit. Next, we're going to set our face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And on top, I'm going to do a little more setting spray with the Morphe Continuous Spray. Setting spray, just so it lasts all day. And then I am just adding mascara to my top and lower lashes. This is the Roller Lash by Benefit. And then I'm just going to layer on top with the Maybelline Total Temptations mascara. And I'm doing the lower lash line. For our lip color, I'll show you two lip colors. I wasn't sure which I like better. Here I'm just lining my lips with a Sephora lip liner. It's a nude one. It's really creamy and nice. So yeah, I have two colors. I wasn't sure which I liked better. I couldn't really decide. So I'm going to show you guys both and you can decide what you like better. So the first shade I go in with is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the color Stepping Out. It's a really nice nude. It just was a darker nude than I expected, so I was like, oh, I wanted something else. So here's the eye look with this lip color. And then here I'm going to show you the other one. This is also the Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte Liquid Lip, and this is in the shade XO Velata. This is more of like a shimmer metallic coppery shade. I thought it was really unique with the bronze eye. I thought it was really cool. But you can use any lip color you want. So here's the final look. I hope you guys like it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Thanks so much for watching.